I need you to cooperate so I do not f your head up.
Okay.
Stop moving.
It's gonna look bad now, but give it 3 months. I'm gonna sit, or someone's gonna sit there who's not Kayleen, and someone's gonna come up to talk to Kayleen, and then we're gonna flip around. Surprise. Surprise! It's not Kayleen, it's a man.
Those are not gonna fit you, bro.
Yeah, they will.
They're like a size 5 in kids. I have tiny feet!
This is literally a mitten to me. If this didn't have this on the bottom, I'd be like, yeah, I can pick some stuff up with this. It's a f***ing mitten.
Okay, we're filming. I didn't even know you were here.
Good evening.
Oh my god!
Hello.
I'm wondering why you were sitting so similar. Did it work? It worked! I hate all of you guys. It worked! Hello, ma'am.
Good evening.
Oh my god. No, it didn't work again.
It worked again.
Ew, I don't like that. Ooh, we just had a heart attack. We got brandy too. That was so good. Oh my god. What happened? Thank you for participating. Yeah, no problem. Anytime.
Jessica's doing a speech jammer. Essentially, it plays your voice back to you, and you have to try and talk over it, but it's nearly impossible, so she's gonna try doing it right now.
Willie's really worried.
Of course she gets Willie. Jessica's talking about Willies again.
What's new? A box of biscuits.
Biscuits.
Hascock.
I don't like that.
Black spotted ass.
Black spotted what?
Hascock. What is a hascock? If you're keen on stunning kites and cunning stunts, buy a cunning, stunning
He's gonna shave me bald, and I am
shave your
horrified.
Any last words?
I'm gonna be bald for the next 3 months. Can I get a towel?
He wants
though?
a towel.
Oh, Jess, can you
Good.
grab a towel? I need you to cooperate so I do not f your head up.
Okay.
Stop moving.
It's gonna look bad now, but give it 3 months. Put the hair back. Make a wish. Why do I look younger? Oh, I look younger than 8 years old.
Can you stop being a drama queen? Let me see the other
I
side.
love it. I look like a bun cake. Imagine when this grows out longer in the back than the actual low part is. Bro, I'm gonna have a neck pillow when this grows out. Just shave it all. Just go for broke.
I press the button.
The haircut that I saw an hour ago was not this. Yeah, it's your turn, Kayleen.
Kayleen.
Not enough energy.
Make sure to follow us on all of our social media: Snapchat, Instagram, Facebook, Pinterest, Twitter, YouTube, and TikTok. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel.
Make sure to follow. We are the Lollipop Kills.
Make sure you're following us on all of our social
Not
media.
enough enthusiasm.
Goodbye.